Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So there is a problem with Instagram, and when you want to upload any photos or want to send any media files, and that's when you open your gallery, it shows your gallery is empty. So what's the problem and why is it happening? So various users are facing this problem and the issues are rising day by day. So let's see how you can solve this issue. But before that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos on this channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, here I am on my Instagram, and when you click on plus icon or want to create any post or want to send it in DMs or to anyone, then this problem shows, that is your gallery is empty. So let's see how you can tackle this problem. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and here you need to search for Instagram. So after searching, just look for the updates. So here in my device it shows update, so make sure your Instagram is up to date. So just update the Instagram from here and see if the issue is gone. So if the issue is gone, that's well and good, but if the issue persists, then just do one thing. Just go to your Instagram, then just go to your settings option. Now here, go to your settings. Now just scroll down and click on log out. So from here you need to log out from your account and re-log in, so that the issue might be gone from your account. Now still, if the issue is still persist, then just go back. So here I'm going back. Now just click and hold on to Instagram app, and here you will be showing three options. So now from here, just click on app info, and here you will see one option that says clear data. So just click on clear data option, and here click on clear cache and click on OK. So this will help you to get rid of that problem. So just try this solution which I have told you in this video, but still if the issue persists, then you can contact me on Instagram. So let me show you my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram. You can contact me on Instagram and I will help you to get rid of this problem. Just contact me on Instagram so that I can help you. So yeah, that's it for this video. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos on this channel. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.